Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to speed up video in Vimeo. Let's start! So, for those who doesn't know what Vimeo is, as mentioned in our other video tutorials, Vimeo is another video platform that you can use to create content and upload. Most content creators and videographers nowadays are using this because they have better video quality compared to popular video platforms that we have on the market. Some are also using this to monetize their content so they can either sell or through subscription, the people can actually subscribe to your content, or you could actually have it for rent. There's like tons of ways for to do that. And for other Vimeo tutorials, you could always subscribe to our channel and you can check it from there. Okay, so going back in terms of speeding up your video, it's very easy. So if you feel like your video is too slow and then you want to speed it up, you can do that as well. So what you need to do is log into your Vimeo account, click the selected video or video of your choice wherein you could edit if you want to speed up your video. So if you notice right here, at this play button and then this duration right here, you would be able to see this one that says settings. Click on that one and then you can see quality and then speed. For quality, I mean, sorry, for speed, so click on the arrow button, guys. You would be able to give, you'll be able to see these choices or options if you want to make it slow, if you want to make it fast. So, you could definitely do that. So, say for instance, I would want to speed up, I would go 2 times faster than the regular speed. Click on that. So, I could have that as well. So, I think that's it. I hope you liked this video and you learned something today. Hit on thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.